come down for train, they go up. Yeah, come out, go see person when I want to see. Still come back again, come enter the next available train where they go back. You don't get ticket, you run for the person. You don't get, you run for the person. Yeah, na gas I sell. Those way no gas I sell. Na gas I sell be this. God is I sell. Na gas I sell be this. Who I can't look for. May do me come out and not to get time, eh? So na gas I sell. Go see tram. As you come down for train, either you enter bus or you enter tram 5. So tram 5 now be that now. When at their market day, okay, Thursday. Okay, Thursday na Sase market. And Thursday be their market, I remember. Go see market for that side. And Thursday be their market. I think Thursday or Sunday, maybe Sase market day. Between a Thursday and the day market. I think it's on Sunday again. But I want for our side now Tuesday, Friday, Sunday, 3 times a week. Be like Sase on 2 times, Thursday and Sunday, something like that. I think so. People they wait for bus. I think so. Yeah, na gas Sase. As you don't come down for train, you come out, either you enter bus or you enter tram to continue your journey. Or you both to arrange your transportation, very easy. That's why a person go hardly lost for France. Because all the corner, transportation, they all the corner. See train station, see bus and the tram station, very close. So you don't even need to come the trek or the different numbers of buses in the year. Different numbers of buses in the year. This guy come here and come out. You don't want to stay for train station long like this. On a Sase train station. On a bus 31. This bus, control can worry. This bus 31, so ticket control the worry well. The last bus stop, now they go to stand. They go stand for the first place, gas Sase. They will still go wait for the bus for where if one go turn for the ending. Then they use and play ticket control. And sometimes the way you buy, you know see them more. And if you don't buy, you walk meet them.